Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the inertia of motion. Inertia of motion, the tendency of a body to oppose any change in its state of uniform motion is known as inertia of motion. Now if we will discuss about the inertia of motion, if a body is in rest position, is want to be in the rest is known as inertia of rest, and when a body is in moving position and oppose any change in its position means want to be in the motion is known as inertia of motion. We can say that when a bus or a train stops suddenly, a person standing inside tends to fall forward. This is because lower part of his body comes to rest with the bus or train, but the upper part of his body tends to continue its motion due to inertia of motion. With the help of this example, we can see that the person is just moving in the forward position. One more thing, sometime a person jumping out of a speeding train may fall forward. What is the reason? This is because on jumping, his feet come to the rest as they touch the ground, but his remaining body continues to move forward due to inertia of motion. Now we can take the another example. Sometime whenever we are just moving somewhere on the top, whenever we are placing the luggage, you can see the luggage, the driver or conductor, they are tying it properly. The reason behind this, again, the inertia of motion. The reason, when the bus is moving, the luggage is also in the moving position, but as suddenly the bus is stopping, but luggage is already still, because of the inertia of motion, luggage is in the moving position and comes forward and fall down. So to just prevent with this problem, we can just tie the luggage whenever we are keeping it on the moving bus or car. Now another one, we can compare the conditions of inertia of rest and inertia of motion. Suppose we can take the example of a moving vehicle. You can see when the bus starts suddenly from rest, suppose a bus was standing and suddenly stop, at that time a person will get backward jerk. But in the case when bus stops suddenly, already it was in the moving form but stop suddenly, the person will get a forward jerk. Here the example of inertia of rest, and here the example of inertia of rest. Backward jerk, rest inertia, and forward jerk, inertia of motion. Again we can compare. Now inertia of rest, the tendency of a body to oppose any change in the state of rest, and inertia of motion, the tendency of a body to oppose any change in uniform motion. So these two types of inertias, inertia of rest and inertia of motion. Thank you.